Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use appointment schedule in Google Calendar tutorial. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com and log into your account. Over here, click on the create button in the upper left corner. After that, select the appointment schedule option from the drop down menu. Then enter the title for your appointment and choose the duration for each meeting slot. Over here, set the date and time when you'd like to be available for appointments. After that, click the next button to continue. Then you can upload a photo and choose the meeting location, either online or a physical place. Over here, click on the save button to make your appointment schedule live. After that, find your appointment schedule in the calendar and click on it. Then click on invite via link and wait for the link to generate. Over here, click copy link and share it through emails or messages so others can book time with you. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.